My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Cracking YouTube, it's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. And it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Boom. Alright, cool. So, don't really know when I'm going to drop this video. Probably be sometime tomorrow. It is Monday, which seems so weird because I just came back from Tokyo with Jess, and when we left Tokyo, it was like 8 o'clock p.m. Monday or something like that, and now we're back in California, and it is only 4 o'clock p.m. Monday. So it's like I feel like we live in 2 Mondays. We did 2 Mondays in the same day. It's kind of weird. So I'm still kind of tired. So I kind of want to post this after my Tokyo vlog video is posted. But I don't know. So whenever y'all seeing it is when y'all seeing it. But it'll be up sometime this week because I have to fly to Baltimore for my mother's wedding. So these videos will be up before Wednesday. So it's like I said, it's Monday. So it's either gonna be up tonight or be up tomorrow. But it'll be up before Wednesday. So all right. So straight to it. Boom. Y'all already know what this is. Once y'all see the box, this is a very cool box with the logo right there. Red box. The label, thumbs up high, Chi-Town Varsity, red, black, sail, Muslim is the color scheme. Size 8.5, so you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. Alright, and this is just a retail price. I think it was like $160 or $175. I really can't remember. It's been a while that I've been waiting for the shoe. So alright, as always, it comes with its own little trading card. And it says reverse Bred. Do I got the, which one is this?
How's that even loud?
Oh, this is the, okay. So it comes with the Bred and reverse Bred on the card. So you see the top is the Bred. Reverse Bred is the bottom, is the bottom when you flip it. I'm trying to figure out, do I got the reverse Bred? Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, so I went to go check my inventory, and I thought I had the reverse Breds. I think it's on the way, if I'm not mistaken, because I know I ordered the reverse Breds, but I don't have them yet. So, we'll see. Alright, so, got the dust bag, as always. Like that, very cool. Got the dust bag. And we have extra sets of laces. It comes with some laces already in it. And they got some sale ones, and we got some red ones like that. So, without further ado, we got the, oh, and y'all know the inside of it. Y'all done seen my very cool box reviews before, so y'all can pause this right there if y'all want to read all that. I'm not going to read all of it because it's a lot, and I'm tired. So, without further ado, we got the very cool brand Skate High Bred. Boom. All right, cool. So I know right off the top y'all gonna be like, oh, rip off. Y'all do this for all my very cool brand. I don't know if my hat is sitting up right, but y'all do this with all my very cool brand shoes or whatever like that. I like them, but I know y'all gonna be like, oh, that's a rip off from the Breds or whatever. So what? It's the same color palette. This is the mold of a Jordan 1. So, I mean, whatever. If you want to call it a ripoff, so what? Buy what you like, wear what you like. For instance, I don't wear reps, but I don't get mad at anybody that wear reps because it's like, that's the shoe you want. At the end of the day, all these shoes be made in the same company, at the same little warehouse. We just paying more just because Jordan is the one producing them. So wear what you like what you wear. So anyway, all right. So like I said, the Bred colorway right there. Got this nice leather, very nice leather. Sometimes they be putting out these shoes that be better than the Jordan. Talking about the quality wise. This nice little leather black toe cap right there. The red toe box right there. Side panels are black. You got the thumbs up. As like the Nike swoosh with the thumbs up right there. Very cool brand on the tongue and red. Black nylon tongue. Got this off-white or sail midsole going all the way around. Outer sole is that Bred red like that, and it's a nice shoe. I like this shoe. Like again, it is exactly. Oh, and got the very cool brand and black wings right there. So like I said, if you got the Bred, I'm gonna be real with you though. If you have the Jordan 1 Breds, you don't need it. It's the exact same shoe, just for different branding, different logo right there on the flaps, different, you know, instead of Nike swoosh, got a thumbs up and very cool right there. It's the exact same shoe. It's very same thing. And I think the Breds are like a white midsole. This is a sail one, so, and I could be wrong about that. I don't know, but you don't need it. If you got these, you don't need those. If you got those, you don't need those. But like I said, if you want them, you can get them. It's that simple. I like this shoe. I like Very Cool brand. I've been with them not since day one. I came onto them pretty late. The first time I encountered Very Cool brand was the pine greens that he released, and I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was a scam. Just from looking at it, like, oh man, this is a ripoff. So I didn't order them. I had them in my car. I didn't order them. I kind of regret it now. I bought one pair of these, and I've been buying them ever since. Every time they drop a pair, I get it. And I think I'm still waiting for like a pair or two now to come. So the only downfall about this brand is that 8-week turnaround. It's like an 8-week that it takes to get there, because they got to produce it. They're not like a big manufacturing country like Nike, or they don't got the resources. So they make by order. So the shoes are not made. They wait until they get their orders. They have a window. They close the window, and that's when they start producing the shoes. So because they, like I said, they're not a big company, so they don't want to make 100,000 shoes and then only 500 people buy. You feel me? So anyway, all in all, I like the shoe. Let's see if it's still on the website. And if it's still on the website, then yeah. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna be sold out. Let's see. And this will be up next to me too. Hold up. Unless the website is still down, because the website was down. Very Cool brand. Let's see if it's still down, or if my phone's still not acting up, because my phone was acting up because I just came back from Tokyo, so my phone was running kind of slow.
Oh, it's the internet.
Is it? Oh, it's our internet?
Yeah.
Oh, so our internet is running slow?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay, so now I know. Your phone's been running kind of messed up?
Yeah, I just used the other internet.
Okay. All right, well, thank you for telling me that, class. Now I know.
Yeah.
Let me see that. So, okay, all right. It is at my, all right, so it's going to be one. All right, it'll be right next to me right now up on the screen so you can see. Yeah, so let me see. Shop now. And let's see if it's still available. It is still, well, it's a size 7. Let's go to my size. 8.5 is still available. Let's go 9.5. Sold out 9.5. Let's go 9. We're just gonna go to the first 9 is still available. We're just gonna go to the first couple sizes. 10 is available. 10.5 is sold out. 11.5 is sold out. There we go. I mean 11 and 11.5 sold out. 12 still available, and 12.5. We're not gonna go 13, stuff like that. So, I mean, they fairly got a bunch of sales, and retail is $178. They do offer like an early pre-order for your shoe, and I think they take off like $10 or something like that. So yeah, and I had the first comment, as you can see right there, because I do support this brand. So I'm waiting for, let me see, shop. I got those. I think that review is up. Yeah, the panda's up. See, got those. I got those. Yeah, see, I got that last like 9 drops. like I got that, and this is the reverse Bred. I know I got this shoe. I feel like I got it, and the 8.5 is sold out. I feel like I got the reverse Bred shoe, so maybe I put it somewhere else, or maybe it hasn't got here yet. I don't know. I gotta check when I get there. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about this very. Oh, I forgot to turn off the screen record. Turn it off. Oh, I did turn it off. Okay, so yeah. So anyway, let me know what y'all think about the reverse Bred. I mean, well, not the reverse, the Breds. Class, what you think about this shit? 1 to 10?
6.5.
6.5. You're not really liking it? Chewy over there chewing. This guy was over there chewing on my Yeezys, man. Living a dangerous life, buddy. Chewy's over there chewing on my Yeezys. Anyway, you said 6.5? Not really feeling them? Why?
I do not know. Probably because the red.
She's not liking it that much. What about you, Jess?
5.
Damn.
Jesus.
I don't like the yellow tone on
Well, sale.
the sale. Yeah.
Sale.
I feel that. With the cover. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a nice shoe. It's a nice shoe.
You don't think the sale gives it a vintage look? That's what he was going for.
Yeah.
You like off-white, right?
I do.
Oh, you just don't like it with this
I
color.
don't like it with that color.
Oh, but
yeah.
it's not that. It's that you're not saying that you don't like the off-white
But yeah,
color.
No, yeah. I like some sale shoes. I like it, but not with. I don't like with that.
Red
no.
and black.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know, and that's not. But it's a nice shoe. It looks like a.
You stinky
Yeah.
breath.
Chewy, move.
Chewy.
Go ahead.
Stinky
Chewy just want to be in the camera.
He does.
Okay, so Classic gave it a 6.5. Just gave it a 5. I mean, I guess I'm just gonna I guess I go to the middle. I split y'all. You gave it a 5. You gave it a 6.5. I'm gonna go 6.
Really?
I'm gonna go 6.
Wow.
I do not. I will say that. Listen. It's a good shoe. I like the red and black. I actually like the red and black, but I am actually gonna agree with you with the sale. I'm not really liking the sale with this color.
Yeah.
I'm not as disgusted with it as you, because I think that if it was white, it would have threw off the red and black, because it can't be bright.
I would have rather it had been black than.
I'm okay with black. I would have been okay with black.
And like maybe white bottom.
I would not. It got
Or
red
has
bottom.
red with the
Yeah,
white.
I would not want white though.
No.
So I'm not that against the sale one, but I understand what you're saying. Like with this color blocking, how the sale can kind of throw it off a little bit. But so I'm gonna go 6. I go in between them two. So I mean, I still think it's a good shoe. Y'all still should shop with Very Cool Brand. I am not in no way sponsored by them. They do not pay me for these reviews. So I'm gonna always give my honest opinion about these shoes. Like I said, this is a 6. If they was paying me, I would have gave it like a 9 or 8 or something like that. So they don't pay me. So and the last couple shoes, it's been kind of low grades too. So and like I said, the most discouraging thing about ordering them is the 8-week turnaround. That is like just that
Or
is
more or longer sometimes.
or sometimes longer. So, but we understand why. Let's act like I said, we're not gonna act like it just takes 8 weeks and that's it. No, it's a reason why, and it's a respectable reason. They're a small company, and they have to produce after they get the payments for the shoes, so they can get a total tally of number of shoes they gotta produce. So I understand it. It just sucks having to wait 8 weeks for a shoe. So I don't really care that much, because it's not like I'm gonna wear this tomorrow anyway. So it's gonna sit for longer. I have not wore a single pair. Wore a single pair of Very Cool Brand shoes yet, and I have about 10 pair already. So anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.